This is Mark Antonio pa rin. Belated Happy Halloween. It's already November 3. What happened in November 1 is I defeat the Great Shredder. I'm eyeing for those feedback on my songs and my project videos. Then I suddenly think of thought of playing chess games while I'm awake. Then I browse playing with the masters and fight the great powerful Shredder. The power Shredder has chess computer program has 16 championship belts against around the world international against other chess computer programs. Chess he has 16 chess championship belts. So I experienced battling him for a lot of days. I did I did beat him first with takebacks. Easy to medium to hard. In hard and medium, we will have a difficulty, especially when it's the hard level is very not that easy. Yeah. I am passing my moves. He's very fast in his moves too. I mean chess programs. And I I almost forget the one my openings. It has a night sacrifice. That move that I I made to defeat the chess master program. I just I just I just I just program too. Chess master program. It's a computer chess program too. Uh, he's very hard to defeat, but in almost 3 a.m. in the morning or 4 a.m. I defeat him finally with a lot of sacrifice. Mm, but if only I can recall the move, I'm very confident I can defeat uh, uh, Shredder as well as Rivka as well as Big Blue and Fritz with not only twice. Because I already defeat Rivka, but I'm not satisfied because they're all take backs. I mean, I defeat him Rivka chess program too. Said 5 to 7 times, 4 to 7, 4 to 6 times, but 4 to 7 times, but they all take back, so I'm not satisfied. The reason is he moves slow compared to Power Shredder and Chess Master. He thinks a lot. It's a type of chess program that thinks a lot. It's more like playing with a grandmaster but chess power shredder is more uh, a grandmaster that moves fast and don't be my advice to you, don't be so sure if you have a if you grab one piece of his phone or officials, Because he will surely bounce back. He's ready. I defeated him in the November 1 with no takebacks. And in October 27 and 829. So, I don't know exactly, but 2017. In November 1, I have I did. I'm so very, very happy that I'm proud. I take a picture of it. Uh, for I know Mr. Kasparov defeat chess program 2 named Deep Blue. Mr. Kasparov is one great master who has a lot of he's the most numerous of championship belts in chess and for chess. He's the greatest in numbers, but in recent chess games. Anand in 2010. I'm not sure who's in 2011, 2012. Sure. I'll search it in Yahoo. I defeat also an AI program, chess program in ELIS, my university. Artificial chess. He's the type of chess program with artificial intelligence. I defeated once. Then when I see there's a certain level of easy, medium, hard. So or zero mistakes. So I did put the level to the highest, the zero mistakes. So he will be more challenging, and I defeat him too, but not that easy. Not that easy. He's like chess master, and there's a lot of chess programs in games you see Kasparov chess master. I defeated a lot. I defeated. It is very very easy to defeat, and it's very easy chess. It's very very easy. It's a beautiful. It's perfect for those for our children who love chess. For those uh uh not that good in chess. Kasparov chess program, chess master program, or easy chess is perfect for them. But power strider is more for the pros. Yeah, it's good. For those for the non-pros that like challenge in chess, like me, I like challenge a lot. Also in basketball. God is power strider is definitely a good challenge. I'm looking forward to defeat Fritz to the Deep Blue. Rick I defeat him, but not satisfied because again I defeat him only with takebacks. Because he moves slow. So I make I multitask. I make 11 boards. All of them are with 11 boards, 11 multitasking. While in my fire box is more like 20 with my pages and private pages and Facebook, my Orkut, MySpace, stumble upon LinkedIn, with 11 Rivka chess okay program. I defeat him there, but not all, and with take knocks, and he still didn't wins. It's a computer chess program anyway. But I'm looking forward to challenge Fritz and Deep Blue and RSS programs. Power Shredder is good in practice. The thing with Power Shredder, when you defeat it, he adjusts, and be careful of your sacrifices in this part, Mr. Computer Shredder program. It's good in anticipating it. Move slow when it gets to those times. Yan, it's Mar Antonio Parreño, Manila, Philippines. David Barangay sa Dasila 21. Say, mabuhay. Mabuhay, guys. I love you guys. Bye, guys. I love you guys.